Is it time to buy or sell Innodata stock? In this video, we will explore Innodata in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 9th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Innodata as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.76. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trajectory. Our analysis over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 32% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 51.53% to a drop of 9.56%. In the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of 112.44%. Based on our computations, the stock's performance could vary between 95.27% and 341.65% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $67.60 and $152.90. Our latest daily update for Innodata includes the headline, Significant Movements in Innodata Incorporated Stock Price on Friday, fluctuating 17.43% between high and low. The Innodata Incorporated stock price declined by 15.79% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, dropping from $41.11 to $34.62. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 17.43%, ranging from a low of $31.95 to a high of $37.52. The price has seen volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 9.06% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day of 5 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may signal an early warning, suggesting that risk could slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 8 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $200.89 million and $63,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $71, while the lowest was $10.41. Currently, the price stands at 51.24%, or $36.38, below the 52-week high of $71, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Innodata Inc. recently reported impressive results for the first quarter of 2025, surpassing both earnings and revenue estimates. The company achieved earnings of 22 cents per share, significantly beating the consensus estimate of 17 cents and marking a substantial year-over-year increase from just 3 cents. Additionally, Innodata's revenue soared by 120% compared to the same quarter last year, as the company reaffirmed its growth guidance of at least 40% for the remainder of 2025. These developments suggest strong operational momentum that may enhance investor confidence. The positive earnings report could drive short-term stock price appreciation as market participants react to the exceeded expectations. In the long term, sustained growth and a solid outlook may attract institutional investments, further bolstering the stock's performance. However, amidst this growth narrative, there are also ongoing investigations into the company led by Braunstein, Govertz and Grossman, LLC, which might create uncertainties for current and potential shareholders. These investigations could weigh down stock performance if concerns arise about potential legal or compliance issues. Investors should closely monitor these dual narratives of strong growth versus potential legal risks, as they will play crucial roles in shaping the stock's trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned INOD an outperform rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned INOD a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that BWS Financial assigned INOD a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of May, 2024, it was reported that BWS Financial assigned INOD a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Innodata stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock within strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Innodata. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact near-term developments. The stock for Innodata Incorporated currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. During any upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $38.40 and $36.90. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 15.79%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, monitoring the stock more closely is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 143 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Innodata. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $32.09 and $31.83. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Innodata Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $32.09. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $31.83 and $29.97. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, which reflects its volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $5.57 between its high and low, representing a change of 17.43%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.46%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Innodata, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 21 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Innodata. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Innodata is at $37.11. If you do not currently own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Innodata meets its first support level at $32.09. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Innodata from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Forlenza Louise C., who bought and sold 13,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.362. Overall, insiders purchased 1,798,983 shares and sold 3,536,387 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is Innodata stock a good buy? Innodata Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, prompting us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we expect Innodata to open higher by approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $34.70. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.